Hello, Tangkhul. Kya shi khangiye o changra kle ishabo ishaba kle ishachon ishamai ikdibo iktongra. Ring phalaga re ishi preciously that the welcome sa khuiwa kle ning shila tra mi le itum le hita sa khuri da mapning ne shimkhulom shongrok lok ta hita sa khu le ta khagai le. Kle sehasla la tra sa sang mi le itum ramwe shimoina krai first time sa itum Ramaman ji ning tio sang man ke lirashmu ka ze achon da wen mum ne lagri ni da da mun ne kri sambang le dum le ning shi chung khamit le kala na thumna o ji da o sa sei sal ishi precious na angay je se ishi la e da part khong sar se laga sengka se ishi precious ping ke tharak jeng ping la thumling rum da chingre no tong ni shlagar.
Hi, I'm Tangkhul from Chalong Village. Currently, I'm pursuing my diploma in Indian Institute of Handloom Technology, located in Kanapara. And my hobbies are singing, cooking, traveling, and my aim in life is to become something from handloom. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is I'm from Katamnao, and my standard is first year. My hobbies is singing, and my aim in life is to become a fashion designer. Thank you.
My name is Katamnao. I'm from Katamnao.
Good afternoon to all present here. My name is Zinya. Come from K. Lehar village. I'm staying out at Bilankata. I'm studying out at Beltola College for BA. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shairwan Changlai. I'm from Katamnao village and I'm here for graduation and I'm studying in Dharthei College and I stay in Pakistan.
Hello everyone, welcome Liang Suo, she including the graduation of Guy Guwahati, also target the in gaining the international professional game.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin Listen. I'm from Roma village. I'm here in Guwahati for TKLG, but right now I'm in computer course. My main life is computer. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ponyo and I'm from Roma village. Right now I'm studying class 11 in Icon Academy. My hobby is playing video games and watching anime. My aim in life is to become a businessman. Thank you.
이거 미국 지미의 이 강구인의 그가 이 피트니스를 갖다 돈 벌고
Hello everyone, you are with Premium Pudai in the Tangkhul in Ariari graduation Saturday shortly like Ariari di Pasisa Charity di Chawoshi Fukumdale like in the main outside in Changi.
My name is Warmian Shen and I'm from Katamnao village. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA from Dharthei College. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dharthei, and I'm currently a NEET aspirant taking coaching in Akash Institute near Uluburi. Well, my hobbies is cooking, reading books, and currently I'm staying in Jakarta with my aunt and uncle. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Iwemina Emia Omushihoye, Katamnao, I Ari Don Boscoli, BJ Tangkhul Department ECE. Thank you. Hello everyone, Iwemina Sabinsong, Somdo Wayne, Yari Ellen Coaching Institute, Tangbai Tuition Village.
Hello everyone, my name is Kai. I am 19 years old from Tangkhul village. I was born and brought up in Tangkhul district, and until class 12 I studied here in my hometown. I come from a family of 5 and I am the eldest, and to help someone and to serve the society was my motive since childhood, and so to pursue my medical career. I am here in Ellen. I'm in Ellen Institute, taking coaching for NEET, and here in Guwahati, I live in Christian University. Thank you. God bless.
You are in the room in our language, in our coaching Ellen is English, NEET Bang, Kala ina, Amravati, but Christian University, PG Bang, you be any nice doctor.
Hello everyone, I'm myself from Vishra from Sierra Leone. Currently, I'm taking coaching at Ellen Institute for NEET. My aim in life is to become a doctor. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Katamnao. I'm from Tishar village, and currently I'm taking coaching in Ellen Institute. And my hobbies includes singing, cleaning, and watching anime. And my aim in life is to take care of my parents financially. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mijanya Horam. I'm from Punjab village, and I'm reading class 11 in Montfort School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Swea Horam, and I'm currently taking tuition at Akash Institute. I'm a NEET aspirant, and I'm from Punjab village. I live in Kata near in my aunt's house. My hobbies include reading novels, and then my aim in life is to become a doctor. Thank you.
Hello, Tangkhul. Ili Shongjan is Joro Wayne. Glad BBA private Gane, Global University Legare, Mukarane. Global State member campus.
Hello, during the Ring Hurry, comes from Malay Wayne. Here we get the history of the village. In the Kamaklan village.
You mean the Cyrus in Italy? It's 1989. Yari LCD Koichi, French Amendment.
Good afternoon all. My name is Tangkhul. I am from Thailand, and I will be pursuing my UG in computer application from Assam Don Bosco University. I am currently staying in Pinankata with my aunt, and I hope to become a software developer someday. And in my spare time, I love reading books. It gives me a sort of relaxation, and also I feel at peace whenever I read books. And I also love listening to music. It's, when you listen to music and when you get into the lyrics, there is some kind of encouragement in it. So I love listening to music. I am currently staying in Tangkhul with my aunt, and my aunt have told me a lot about how Guwahati hold occasions and how lovely and friendly the people are. So as I love meeting new people, I think I've come to a great place. Thank you.
Iwi amin na question ay la na we is not iwi na ne isa mana ko may na ne daga isa po na Tangkhul na le teni we na ne yari iwi fashion designing da wai ba ka ne Guwahati Institute of Fashion Technology we na iwi hope na drawing ne daga iwi aim in life na fashion stylist.
Hello everyone, my name is Atriel Chirjambikure. I am studying in Montfort School, Guwahati, class 4. I am from Bear Village. Right now I am staying in Mykley. Thank you. My name is Lazuben Kure. Thank you.
Hello everyone. You are me. We are in Dharthei. In my journey, we are assessing and being with child vision, vision, you hoping la kamna, laga you in police officer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Minga. Don't change them. We eat the cooking and I 11 the you hoping singing and dancing. You be aiming life in a fashion designer.
Igaming high-school champion huye, graduation gubere, kala ile master subject from Tangkhul University, Delhi ke side de. If you hoping if you hoping listening music, kala drawing ke you in like the army officer. Thank you.
Hello everyone. You are in the Zingran Kray. Being away in the Kray, look about it as a side. You graduation of Institute Director in Sai. Lara, what did he, my colleague on the long yeah, and the June is my side, you aim like forest officer as a name. He's
이하민 graduation 자도 이나셔가 보이는데 already pending SSC 감다 거야 미션 큐빅 exam coaching 피드래 그 호피스냐 풋볼 볼리볼 강요
이후에 was finding some is negative 있는데 이하리 graduation 원두 policy 상황.
Hello everyone, you are in Green Clan. 이 분점 뭐했네? You are in Green 이런 분점 되나 맞는 것이네. 이게 호비나 풋볼 놀러 정해리 지금 말라 정해리 못 놀러 정해리. 이 야리 first semester computer science Assam Don Bosco Saturday 이 아판다시 아차라위 저기 university campus 보면 이게 M in life businessman nasa i company yang songa yang pada I feel very sad pada mi ophelia ka total le even wadil i kradam ni bakery yang le de reje I feel very sad mi total le being addiction data le being songa yang company yang songa ni
이미 주명 사자 통송했는데 아니 이 때문에 볼사 송에 이게 임노가 아이디.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Breaking Jelly, and I'm from Kumsong village. Actually, I think I'm too old for this because I did my graduation a couple of years back. But the thrill to meet you all here in Guwahati brought me here today. And I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology. So basically, first, my aim in life was to become an engineer, but I could not clear some engineering exams, so I think I'll switch to banking. I think I'll become a banker. And like, my hobby changed from time to time. It really depends on what kind of movie I'm watching. When I watch some fiction movie, I want to become a programmer and this and that. And when I watch some romance movie, I want to become a novelist. I really can't say. And I really want to take this opportunity to thank Tangkhul, Welfare Society Guwahati, and Katamnao Guwahati for providing us this warm home away from home. And I think God will bless you all and may He continue to guide us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shimrin. I'm from Samdal village, and I'm doing my BBA first semester at Kazip Commerce College. And right now I'm staying at Party Club Prime Boys PG. And my hobby is playing chess. And my aim in life is to become a chartered accountant.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone present here, especially to the judges. My name is Tangkhul. I'm from this village. I came here as a purpose of head racing and singing training. My aim in life is to become a professional in head racing.
Hello everyone. Here we came from Jatong village in the training. If I can training my education from the my political training center, and a international fighting participation.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yusuf. I'm from Rambut village, and currently I'm pursuing my BA at Lalit Chandra Bharali College. And my aim in life is to become an economist. And my hobby is listening to music. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon. Respected elder, brother, sister, and my colleagues. I'm Yunyu Awungshi from Manipur. I'm from Krapong village. And I'm currently pursuing my BTech from Assam Don Bosco University. And I stayed in Azara, Kahikuji, New Colony. And I would like to thank TKLG for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.